Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 5-in-1 grooming kit. This thing comes with absolutely everything that you're going to need to be able to trim your hair, trim your beard, put in design. You can even use a foil shaver to shave your face, even get out those pesky nose hairs. All of this comes with a nice base that easily can hold everything in there, so that way you've got all of your apparatus stored securely in there. To actually operate this is pretty simple. You actually just push the button on here and press and hold and it comes on. Gives you the charge there. It's running, it's relatively quiet. Turn it off. Changing out blades, simply pop them off. Get a different blade if you want to have a different blade on there. It's got a little notch in the back. Simply push it on, lock it in place, and now you're ready to go for that blade. So really cool, super simple, easy to change out. This uses a standard USB-C, which I like because it actually can work with any of your USB-Cs, but they do provide you with that plugs into a standard USB outlet. Charges up. Once it's actually fully charged, it'll run for up to 150 minutes, so that's a long time. Now this is not completely waterproof, so you're not going to want to take it to the shower with you, but if you're going to be able to use it for a lot of different reasons, including using these guards, they do provide you with several of these different guards that are nicely labeled, so that if you're using this for hair cutting, it's just simple to put on the hair cutting blade and get that snapped on there. Then you can select one of these other blades. Maybe you want to have this 12mm blade and just simply stick it on like that. It snaps in the back. Everything is nicely secured, and now when you're running this through hair, you can easily do that, and it will trim it down and cut it nicely. Very ergonomic, very lightweight too, and this would work great if you're cutting hair at home or taking it with you for travel.